The F-150 comes in cheaper, but the Tundra packs Toyota's hybrid I-Force Max system standard on many trims. More buyers means stronger resale, but loyalty counts too. Resale buyers pay a premium for reliability, and Toyota plays that card well. In the short run, both do well, but Toyota edges out the Ford slightly. Over the long haul, the Tundra takes the win. In 2025, the Toyota Tundra holds its value better than the Ford F-150. The F-150 sells in massive numbers, but Toyota's reliability and hybrid efficiency make it the smarter resale bet. Would you take the Tundra for long-term value or stick with America's #1 bestseller, the F-150? Drop your pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more daily car and truck battles.